Hi guys, I'm back and I'm here to catch up on my previous video that I did around using Google Search Console to optimize pages that you've already got and ultimately getting more traffic from it. So if you keep watching the video, you'll see the results of how our little tweaks performed, and you can be using that on your site and getting more traffic from existing content. So let's just jump straight into it. Let me change the screen. So here we go. Here is the previous video. It came out 12 days ago. If I do a quick refresh, and as you can see, that happened 12 days ago. This video here, how to boost your search rankings. And if we jump into it, let's see if we can find what page we did. Oh, perfect. That was a good jump. So how to ace your guest posting easily as an SEO company. If we jump over to Search Console, you can see, I'll just refresh this, that we've done quite well recently. It's slowly going up, I guess, on the 14th. So that was a little jump when someone got us on YouTube. On the 15th of February, so that was 2 months ago, we were getting 98 impressions a day. Yesterday, 2 days ago, we were getting 680. So what's that, like 7x? Like that will do. It's something. Oh, I'll move my face out the way so you can see a bit better. Here we go. So here we were receiving 98, so just shy of 100, and here we're getting 680, which is just shy of 700. So sort of 7x, maybe a tiny bit less than 7x, but that'll do. I'll take it. I'm very happy with that. Let me put myself back on. There we go. So one thing we want to look at is this specific page, how to ace your guest posting easily as an SEO company. Ace your guest. That one. Specifically this one, here we go, going up and up and up. You can see probably 12 days ago, 23rd of March, no, slightly less than that, and we've gone up from here with a bit of luck and doing quite well. Page click-through, page click-through ratio is a bit low, but we're on page 7 or 8, so that's actually not to be unexpected. If we jump back to the previous video, let's see if I can see the list of keywords that we were going for. So here we go. The top one that we had was guest posting in SEO. I don't know how well you can see that. Can I zoom in more? So guest posting in SEO here, and we were position 75. So if I go here, I haven't actually looked at this yet, so fingers crossed it works well. Let's turn positions on. So guest posting in SEO, we're now position 68. Guest post company, we were 63.6. We're now 62.6. What is guest posting in SEO? 71.3. That's gone up. I can't remember if that's one of the keywords that we were optimizing. Guest post SEO 86. Guest posts is a guest posts SEO. Guest posts SEO 86.3. We were 89. So again, like these are small wins. It's only been 12 days, so I'm sure they'll go up even further if I give it more time. But what you can see is that literally from some very small tweaks, you can see the massive jump there. It's gone up, and I think we were indexed for 27 keywords at the time. We're now indexed for 33. And as I said in the video, every time we add some keywords or we optimize for something slightly different, we'll find more keywords that are related to it. And so to go from 27 to 33, I can't do the math off the top of my head, but that's a gain of 6 on 27, so 5% maybe. Let's have a look, just so that I'm not lying to you. 33 over 27. I would say it's a gain of 22%. We've increased our keywords by 22%. We've increased our position, we've increased our impressions. Everything's just going up. It's doing the right thing. As we go up the search results, we will get more impressions, we will get more clicks, we will get everything. So literally, by doing these simple tweaks, if you remember from the video, I'll link it. I don't know if I can link it like here or if I will put it in the description. I mean, I'll obviously put it in the description. but very simple tweaks. I mean, I literally added like a couple of words to that page. I've gone up in the rankings. I've done, like, if we go back to this page, you can see I've done a huge increase in what's going on, and I didn't do massive changes. So if you check out that video on how to use Google Search Console, you too can be flying up the rankings with very, very simple tweaks, which ultimately is going to get you more search traffic and get you more conversions and make your business do better. Whether you're getting clicks on your adverts, whether you're getting people to sign up for your tool or your service, your subscription thing, whatever it is, you can be ranking better. I mean, it obviously helps that I've got an article service that literally produces SEO content with the click of a button. Like, that big jump of impressions didn't come from me just optimizing a few things. That obviously helped, but a lot of that comes from me knowing how to do SEO and the tool producing high quality SEO for me. But you can do it. I'm competing here in the SEO niche. SEO is a bunch of people that know how to do search engine optimization, and I've still gone up quite a number of pages and gained keywords against them. And if I was to search for SEO, don't want to do that. But if I was to search for SEO, I think there's 1.8 billion companies competing for that keyword. And smashing it, right? Pretty new website. Increase the impressions 7x in 2 months. Let's go. Anyway, you wanted to follow up? Here's the follow up. I'm sure there'll be many more videos. In the description will be the original video if you want to learn how to do that. And yeah, have a great day. I'll see you soon.